Feeling sick or feeling slow, time to let the doctor know. Use these words, don't be afraid. Help is here, you'll be okay. Good afternoon, what's going wrong? I've been coughing all day long. Do you have a sore throat too? Yes, and chills, I think the flu. Let me check your eyes and ears. Do I need a test, my dear? Just a swab and then we'll see. Thanks for taking care of me. I don't feel well, I need some rest. I'll do my best and pass the test. My head is hot, my voice is low. These are phrases you should know. Have you traveled recently? Yes, last week to Italy. Any contact face to face? Just my family, no big place. Take this medicine tonight. Will it help me feel alright? Yes, just sleep and drink some tea. Thank you, doc, for helping me. I don't feel well, I need some rest. I'll do my best and pass the test. My head is hot, my voice is low. These are phrases you should know. Tell your symptoms one by one, then the healing has begun. Words can help, so learn them right. You'll feel better overnight. When you're sick, don't hide away. Use your English, it's okay. Say what hurts and you will see. Talking brings recovery.